Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you a review on this Energizer power bank. This one I just got it from Best Buy for only $12.99. It was on sale. The actual price is actually $30, but it was on sale for $12.99, and so I quickly ordered it and got it. So this, they are saying it is a fast charging power bank, and it is MagSafe, so it supports wireless charging, and plus you can see 20 watt maximum, plus the total energy it has is 5000 milliampere the current it can save. So this is compatible for both iOS and Android, the wireless charging. So everything is it looks good to me actually, this power bank, and it is from Energizer. That's the main thing. They're very good company on all this battery product. So I thought I should buy it because power bank is required. So in this video I'm going to do a test, like how many things it can support and how long it takes to charge and everything. So let's see what comes inside the box. So this is the charger, and looks like they are giving a charger, and that's all, nothing else. There is a nice card, thank you card to register. You can register, or you can see videos here by scanning this code, and they give a nice greetings. So this is a charger for this one, and it is USB-C. Nowadays everything is USB-C. So this is the charger, and this is the manual. So please go through the manual. You will get some idea about this product, and you know how to like use it, or like all the safety things. But look at this charger, it is super slim, friends. It is really slim. uh, it is really slim. Let me compare with my iPhone. Look at my iPhone and this one. It is slim than iPhone. See, it's super slim. How can I show it to you? It's very hard to show, or maybe here, from here. So it's really slim. It's slim like iPhone, and it is like on a hand. You can see how. Let me compare it. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you can see how small it is and how slim it is, both. So this is for wireless charging. It supports both wireless charging and regular charging. And look at here, they have only one port, USB-C port, so you can only use USB-C port to charge. And this is a power button, and this is a LED indicator how much charge it has. So now let's do the test, but before doing the test, let's put it in on charge. Let me give it a full charge, because this is a power bank, and this is a battery actually. So it's better, yeah, before you use, give it a full charge, so that it's good for the battery, or any rechargeable battery. Before you use, give it a full charge. So let me put it on charge, and then I will test how, like, can it handle how much extra charge it can give, and everything. Like, I'll do the test, and they says it you will get for your iPhone extra 18 hours battery screen time. So that means it is a very, it should give a very good charge. Plus this one, the port, for USB-C charging port, that gives maximum 20 watt. So that's all the features about this product. So let me put it on charge and see. So let's put it in charge. They are giving one. Oh, I need USB-C actually. Let me get a USB-C adapter. So one more information is, they are not giving any adapter, so you have to use your own adapter to give it a charge, which is, nowadays nobody is giving any adapter, so you know that already. And let me put it here. Let me give it a charge. So you can see it's glowing and it needs some charge. So let me give it a charge, full charge, and then I'm gonna use, yes, it is using 19 watt. You can see from here it is using 19 watt to charge this one. So let it give it a full charge. Let's give it a full charge and then we'll test. So friends, now it is more than 80% charged. You can see it is final charging, doing the final charging, and it is using how much? 6 watt only. It is only using 6 watt, so it is slowly charging full. So I believe it is more than 80% it is charged. So let's do the test. Let's do the test. Let me disconnect it from here. Before we start, let me show you. If you press this button, it will turn on the power bank, and you can see how much here. And while it is charging, it will show you the light. Right now it is not charging anything, so it's just showing how much battery capacity it has. And to turn it off, you press the button twice, it will turn off. You see, it turns off. So let's turn it on. Let's turn it on, and now let's do the charging. Oh, it's magnetic, and you can see my phone is charging. It has 98% charge, and it started charging. You can see from here it's charging right now. And let me show you. You can see the green light is on. That means it's charging. It is charging, and it has passed through. So this charging is working. This charging is working, and it's really nicely magnetic. So you can see it's actually stuck with this one, this iPhone. So it doesn't look too bad when if you need full charge. Even iPhone 17, it has very good battery life, but still if you need some charging or anything, it doesn't look bad. So it's stuck with this, and it's good magnetic power. It has enough good magnetic power. And so this is charging. This is charging fine. You can see it is charging. And this one information, this supports, as per manual, I have gone through the manual. As per manual, this says this charger supports from iPhone 12 plus and onwards, not below 12. So that's one information. And also this says it supports charge pass through, which means while it is charging this one, you can also charge the battery. Let's say you charge this battery. Let's put this one like this. So while it is charging, you can see it is charging right now. And let's put it on charge, and this is also charging. So both is working. You can see it is charging, plus it is also charging the phone. So you can do both together, which is an important feature, because when you are outside, when you are traveling, you want to charge your power bank as well as your phone. So you can do it together with one cable, which is important for outside, when you are outside. So this is one good information. And I want to test one more thing. I want to test how it works with other devices, how much it can charge. Let me try. So let's say I want to charge my drone, and let me connect it to here, and it is charging. The drone is charging. It doesn't have full battery, and at the same time I want to charge my phone as well, and it supports both. You can see both is charging together. So both are charging, both are working. So it supports both, and this is good. This is good, but only thing is it has only one charging output. So you cannot do. There are some other chargers which has USB, multiple USB to charge multiple devices together, but it doesn't have that. It supports only one charger, one device to charge, and as well as phone, because phone has wireless charging. So other device you cannot charge. That's one important information. And but that's how you know that you are purchasing this one. So that is good. So it is charging right now, you can see, and that's good. And one information, I am not sure how can I show it. You can see when I'm doing the wireless charging, it's green light, but as per instruction they says if they find any foreign device or anything, it will give different light, blue light. So right now I cannot show you that functionality because I don't have anything like to do that, but you will see that different color of the light. So this one is working fine, friends. I am happy with this, and it is, again, it has 5000 milliampere capacity, so which is a very good. As they mentioned, it can support a iPhone for 18-hour screen time, which is really good. And so that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.